It is a glad welcome I bring to you this morning, filled with desires, hope, and dreams we all share. Most of you have made an immense effort to join us today for the awareness seminar on the topic Data in Today's Time by Mr. Arijit Basu.
We welcome you, Dr. Arijit Basu, and our HOD of Visual Arts, Ms. P.U. Mahapatra, especially our Laurel High team. We need to understand the great gesture of Dr. Arijit Basu is accepting to speak with the 7th standard students. And being as a teaching fraternity, I request all my colleagues to understand, if we go through the profile of Dr. Arijit Basu and the kind of research he participated and from various top medical centers in USA, and all this data-based support to the medical health, and from such a level to speaking to the children of 7th class, it's a very appreciable thing, sir, from all of us. We wholeheartedly welcome you and thankful to the acceptance of this. And our idea of this guest lectures is we wish to connect our children with the application part of their learning, actually. And we discussed prior to which class, whether the 7th class is appropriate or not. From 4th class onwards, now the children are learning about data and the application of data. Children, are you learning something about data? Yes, good. Now you will understand how this data-based chapters in mathematics and science is going to help you in your future when you are in a professional or career opportunities, or how it's helping us in our daily life. That's why we need to understand whatever we are reading in the textbooks, that is always helpful in our life in specific domain. That is the reason we request the eminent personalities to speak about various topics and connect the children with the application part of their learning. And thank you very much, sir. And thank you, Ms. P.U. Mahapatra, for creating this opportunity with a lot of efforts and communication.